I'm restoring this for Mike Detweiler. He bought it at a antique shop and paid about $150. When it's completed, it'll probably be worth a couple thousand, maybe $5,000. It is museum quality. It has 1900 fabrics in it. You can tell because what's happened to the fibers, like this one here, this is deteriorated because before 1900 the silk was sold by the weight, and so different metals were put into the silk. Finally, when we discovered how bad lead is for the body, it was taken out or outlawed. This little stitch that's going into the quilt is holding the silk, and I'm using a Shushiko needle. The needle is pointed and strong. Shushiko is done in Japan, and it holds fabrics together. It's a stitch that holds fabrics. So that's what I'm trying to do here, hold the fabric together with the Shushiko needle, which is, and I'm using pearl cotton. The Shushiko needles are, and maybe I'm saying it incorrectly, but Clover makes them specifically for Shushiko, or Shashiko. I don't know how the Japanese pronunciation is. But they are strong needles, and they decorate like this. They decorate, not this one, but another type.